Hello and welcome to this video on how to download and install powerbi desktop and laptop to download the installation file. Open your browser and go to powerbi.com, have a over products and click on powerbi desktop. Now click Products and click on powerbi desktop. Next click on the Download Free button and click Save to save the installation file on a local. Now open folder, then clicks Write and click Run as administrator the powerbi desktop setup wizard. Once the setup wizard launches, click Next. Now click Accept the license agreement, then click Next. Verify the installation path, click Next and click Install to initiate the installation process. The installation processes. Once the installation process completes, click Finish. And the powerbi desktop application will launch in a few seconds.
Powerbi desktop application will launch in a few seconds. Now the powerbi desktop application is installed and ready for development. This concludes this video. Thanks.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.